How to make money on people per hour as a product photographer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, people per hour is a platform where you can create a profile where you sell your own skills or where you sell your gigs or your freelancing skills that you offer for business owners or individuals. So here, for example, let's go to the search to show you some examples of the profiles that are selling their skills in the platform. So here, let's go with product photographers. And here, as you can see, we have a lot of product photographers and they're making a lot of money. As you can see, this one gets paid $150 per hour. This one $65 per hour, $10 per hour, $40 per hour, 25, and that's all we have. So I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile like this where you're selling your skill. So let's go back to the first page. Here, let's go back to the first page and click on the freelancer button in your top right. And here, click on I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email. After that, you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here, I'm going to enter my email and my password. And then log in. And here you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, click on apply now. Then complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here, start with your profile picture. As you can see, drop a file in here, or you can just browse to add a file. After that, you proceed to your job title. So here, for example, an award-winning web developer, or you can just go for product photographer. Then you proceed to your skills, and as you can see, the maximum amount of skills that you can add is 15. So make sure to use these 15 spots wisely. So let's start with photography. Let's go with product photography, and then let's enter photography again. And let's go with commercial photography. Let's go with product description, design, management, music, review, sourcing, development, post-production, production planning. So I think that's all for the skills. And after you're done with the skills, you proceed to enter in your description. So guys, in order to enter a very decent description for your profile, make sure to follow these 3 criteria. First one is, in the first paragraph, make sure you talk about yourself a little bit and your previous experiences. And in the third paragraph, talk about your skills, or just list your skills like a bullet points. And in the third paragraph, talk about how you're going to help the client and how you are patient about doing the client's job and how you're going to satisfy the clients with your job. So I'm going to show you an example of some descriptions. So here, let's go to the search, click on search freelancers, open it in a new tab, and here I'm going to enter product photographer and click on the search button. And here, let's search e-commerce product photo editing, edit app product photography, provide 10 high and low resolution product images. Let's go with this one to check his description. So here, let's check his description, and this is a very small description. There is no skills, nothing about himself or how he can help the clients. So this is a bad example. And let's check this one. His name is John and he has 24 sales, which means 24 clients. All you need from your photographer: reliable, hardworking, flexible, creative, shooting digital medium format and full frame DSLR. Many product images produced for Amazon, not on the high street, not on the high street, Shopify, etc. Access to fully equipped studio, portable lighting kit, and many locations. 25 years with Photoshop, more than 40 years with photography, and product photography for your emerging e-commerce offer a specialty. See my offers for competitive per image rates on products, food, styling, etc. And he also currently teaches digital imaging in higher education at an arts university near London. Master of Arts 2012 in photography, West London. So this is, I won't say a bad description, but it's not again that good. You can do better than that. So just make sure to follow the formula that I gave you. A little talk about yourself, your skills, and how you're going to help the client, and how passionate you are about your job. That's all what you need, and make sure to not make the description very long or very short as well. And that's it. And then for the location, enter your location, then you enter the languages that you can speak. So for example, for me, I can speak English and Arabic and French as well. French. And that's it. Then you proceed to your hourly rate. So here you can change the currency from pounds to dollars or euros, and here you can enter your hourly rate. After that, you click on submit application. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.